how to fix your AirPods Pro fit test failed. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So the first thing you're going to do is simply go ahead and open the fit test, go to settings, Bluetooth, and tap on the eye icon, and the AirPods Pro, tap on ear tip fit test. Then you want to simply go ahead and choose the right ear tip. Start with medium. If it fails, try a different size for a better seal. Then you want to try inserting correctly. Insert AirPods Pro and twist slightly until snug. They should feel secure and comfortable. Then you want to tap play on the fit test screen and wait for a few seconds. If the fit test failed, again try a different ear tip size or readjust the position and try again. If not, you can also clean your AirPods and your ear tips, or you could also check your ear tip condition. If it's still failing, your ears may be unique. Use the best fit you can get. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll